Hi everyone, welcome to Edupedia World. This is Puran Ganga. Friends, in our last session, we have seen some examples regarding how to find cubes of a given two-digit number by using geometric progression. In regard to the same concept, in this session we are going to have some more examples. Now let us see what the example that we are going to discuss in this session. The example that I am going to take in this session is find the cube of 77. So friends, in order to find the cube of a given two-digit number, we have some procedure or steps that we have to follow. Now, let us see what are the steps that we have to follow in order to find the cube of 77. Friends, as we have discussed in our earlier sessions about the steps, the first step that we have to do here is we have to separate the digits that are in the given number by using commas, then we get the numbers 7 and 7. Moving to the second step. Now in the second step, what the thing we have to do here is we have to find the common ratio between the given numbers, that is 7 and 7. So it is found out by dividing the second number with the first number, that is 7 divided by 7, we get 7 by 7, and which is equal to 1. After finding the common ratio, now moving further to step number 3, here we have to find the geometric progression starting the first term with the cube of first digit, that is 7 cube. So therefore 7 cube is equals to 343. Now the second term is found out by taking the first term and multiplying it with the common ratio 1. So here 343 into 1, we get again 343 as the answer itself. Again, the third term is found out by multiplying the second term with the common ratio 1. So here the second term is 343 and the common ratio is 1. By multiplying 343 with 1, we get 343 as the product, and it is the third term here. Now to find the fourth term, what we have to do is we have to take the third term and we have to multiply it with the common ratio 1. So here again the third term what we have got is 343, and multiplying it with 1, we get the product as 343. Now after getting the first term, the second term, the third term and the fourth term, now what we have to do here is we have to move further to step number 4. Here in step number 4, now what I am going to do is I am going to multiply the first term with 1000, the second term with 100 and the third term with 10. So now let us multiply the things what we have got. So first term, that is 343 into 1000 is equals to 343,000, and multiplying the second term with 100, that is 343 into 100 is equals to 34,300, and finally the third term into 10, that is 343 into 10 is equals to 3,430. Now after getting the products, now what we have to do is we have to move further to step number 5. Here in step number 5, what we have to do is we have to take the second product and the third product and we have to add those two products. So therefore 34,300 plus 3,430 is equals to 37,730. Now after getting the sum, again we have to take this sum and we have to multiply it with 3. So multiplying 37,730 with 3, we get 113,190. After getting the product, now moving further to step number 6, that is the last step. Here what we have to do is we have to take the first term, the new product, that is 113,190, and the fourth term, and we have to add all these three things. Then we get the final result. So now let us add these three things. So in order to add these three things, I am going to write these three things in this way with the horizontal bars like this. Now let us start doing addition. So 0 plus 0 plus 3, we get 3. 0 plus 9 plus 4, we get 13. So therefore 13, we have to take 3 and we have to write it in the answer, and 1 should be taken as carry on. So 1 plus 3, we get 4, and 4 plus 1, we get 5. So therefore we have to write that 5 over here. Why? Because 5 plus 0 is again 5. So therefore we have to write 5 over here. And now 3 plus 3, we get 6. 1 plus 4, we get 5. And 1 plus 3, we get 4. So this is the final answer, that is 456,533, and therefore we can say that 77 cube is equals to 456,533. So friends, this is the way how we use geometric progression in finding the cube of a given two-digit number. I hope you have understood pretty well. In the next session, we will be having some more examples regarding the same method or concept. Now for watching this video, thank you, have a nice day.